I'm heading towards the Great Sam Sand Dunes, and it is one of the most authentic desert dune site in whole India. I'm straight away heading that way, and this is my bike which I'm taking. That's a Ducati Scrambler. Sam is just 45 kilometers west from Jaisalmer city, so you can book a camel or a jeep here. You can see the sunsets, you can see the sunrise, beautiful. The best time to visit Sam or even Jaisalmer is from the month of October to March, as in the remaining months all the camps are closed. I'm parking my bike and taking a jeep right to the THAR desert, to the Sam Sand Dunes. Beautiful place, let's go. Off you roar into the desert. Over the highest dunes and sloping sides, it's a thrilling experience, kicking up sand and for a long journey through a fantasy desert. This 2 hours of jeep ride will come to an end with you stop over to admire the sun as it sinks beyond the dunes of the horizon, bathing the desert in gold and orange. It is super fun to take this jeep ride to the dunes. He's riding a THAR through these roads. And here goes for a big fall. Wow! All the rides. The camel. Finally, we have reached through this desert. Nice, the camel's out here. What a ride it was. What a ride. प्यारे असलम भाई, इन्होंने हमें यहाँ पे पहुँचाया बड़ी तेजी से, बड़े रफ्तार से. I'm going to climb this beautiful camel. ये मुझे सफारी पे लेके जाने वाले हैं. ऊँट का नाम कालू भैया. कालू भैया के साथ हम घूमने जाएंगे रेगिस्तान में. जी. ये I'm going on a गिराना मत बस. ऐसा थोड़ा ही. ये ऊँट is taking me all around the desert. हाँ. ये भाग रहा है. Run is more fun, you know. कंजरो मतलब? कंजरो मतलब go to running at the right side. और लेफ्ट साइड मतलब? लेफ्ट साइड मोरनी. मोरनी? हाँ. मोरनी बागाम बोले. अच्छा, अबे आप मोरनी. हाँ, मोरनी बागाम बोले. ठरदी. ठरदी. इस पे गाना बना सकता है. मोरनी है. मोरनी बागा पे बोलती है ना. I'm at THAR desert. You can see the beautiful view. Yeah. It's in the evening, right? Yeah, evening, right? So it's camel very nice. Running. Run is more fun, you know. Run is more fun, you know. Fun. Oh my God! ये और जीप पे बड़ा मजा आया. ये दोनों ऊँट कंपटीशन से जा रहे. Very high speed. Sorry, भैया. ऊँट की सफारी बड़े झटकेदार थी. बहुत मजा आया. बहुत बढ़िया. टेंट में आप रह सकते हैं यहाँ पे रात को. You can stay over here in the night time. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा यहाँ पे रात में रह के. यहाँ पे प्राइवेट टेंट्स भी हैं, आप उनके भी टेंट डाल के रात को रह सकते हैं. It's going to be a little risky night because we need to be well prepared. I didn't find any wild animals. You can expect them. Getting very windy in the morning. It's pretty cold. I'm wearing 3 layers of jacket. Really waiting for the sunrise to happen. It's almost 6. Still nothing. It's 6:20. The sunrise is only after 7. The night has been very cold. A little scary initially because there was a lot of wind and I thought a lot of animals around, but there are no animals around. It's winter time. You may expect dogs. You may expect some snakes around. You may expect some camels in the morning, but nothing as such to fear about. But it was a very lonely night. You can see there is absolutely no one. I'm here all alone, guys. So guys, I would expect people to come in here all alone on a bike trip or anywhere. They can come here. They can live in this beautiful sand dunes, in between the sand dunes, in between the bushes. Live here, and they can have their own tent. They can come with their girlfriend. They can come around with their family, with their wife, children. Fantastic night I had. Amazing, beautiful. क्या मज़ा आया मुझे. I swear. काफ़ी मज़ा आया मुझे अपने सुंदर से टेंट में. ये छोटा सा ड्यून भी है मेरे पीछे, तो वो मुझे थोड़ा हवा से बचा रहा था. बीच में ऊपर का कवर जो है वो निकल गया. The cover just came off in the night, so I actually didn't secure it well because it was very dark in the night. A fantastic experience living all alone and by yourself, and little stuff, just water and a little bit of snacks. That was enough to keep me going on and live. And the tent was pretty cozy and warm, so I could survive. It was very windy. You can see even the tent is still fluttering around. In the night time it was fluttering more, and this little sand dune behind me protected me from the wind. You can see up the sand dune. Yeah, can you see that? Awesome. So you get another view of me in the middle of the THAR desert. Wow, what a nice time I had. It's very cold. Slowly the camels are coming. They'll see the sunrise. I don't know if they want to see the sunrise or they want to see the sunset, but I'm eagerly waiting for the sunrise to happen. It's all fine sand. It's all fine sand. See that? Very fine sand. It's very cold. Completely alone, man. What an adventure. What an experience, guys. Anyone and everyone. Like I said, this is a beautiful place, guys. Hoping for a camel to come down by that tree. One camel.
Imagine yourself amidst the desert, the yellow sandstone buildings surrounded by the glorious dunes and further enhanced by the golden rays of the sun. This is what a trip to sand dunes feels like. This marvelous beauty of Rajasthan is an amazing cultural hub. Stretched across the Thar desert, some sand dunes is a prominent part of Jaisalmer. One of the most ideal places to wind down and get in touch with nature. You can explore here the plant and the animal life too. Take a camel ride and go on a remarkable trip to the tour, the dunes, or rent a quad bike for a thrilling experience across the local villages.
These guys are gonna sing in the morning for me. A folk music. These guys have walked through all the bushes around from that remote village, you know. They saw my tent and they've come here. Morning sunrise with the children playing music. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके. आप लोग भी आइए, बहुत बढ़िया जगह है.